Well, we're going to bring those other two out if you guys are up to it, and then it doesn't matter which one she goes in.
Probably put her on the bottom and leave Tipper in the top, since
Yeah.
that's what they're used to.
Yeah.
So.
Good boy, Fade. See how pink his belly is? He's getting ready to shed. Carla cleaned those up real nice. He's like, this is all new to me. I don't know about this.
I washed both sides.
This has been, for anybody that doesn't know him by name or association, he's my daughter's boyfriend / fiance, and he has spoiled every one of my snakes totally rotten. Not to mention I had a head start on doing that, but he's really cinched it. My snakes love him more than they love me now, so, you know, that happens.
Hey. Going up on your water dish?
Yeah, he was warm off Carla. Her body, he was sticking to her skin because she was sweaty.
I think Apollo will get
Look at him, Carla. I think he's warm.
Yeah, it's warm out here.
I'll unplug his light so he doesn't have any heat. That's what he's doing. Here comes the other one. Ben has spoiled my snakes totally rotten. Hey, Grumpy, you got a new home out here. Boy, you should have seen Fade looking everything over. He knew it was different out here. Hell, I can lay here on this bed and watch TV from out here, Ben. I need to buy another color TV. Look at it. What is it? What is it, Grumpy? What's all this stuff out here? Tell me they aren't curious and inquisitive. See, what's all this stuff, man? I got a feeling Ben's not going to be able to put Grumpy back in there without a bit of an argument.
Well, probably not.
Hey, Grump. Bring him over here on game. Grumpy! Grumpy! Boy, what an improvement over him in the past 2 months. Hi, handsome. What are you doing? Who loves you? Huh? Who loves you? Ben loves you.
He's like, oh, it's your camera.
Look at him. Right to it. It's the camera. Aren't you handsome? That fan's not even offending him. Usually it offends him when the wind hits him in the face.
What?
Whoop! Ben scared you.
Oh, you're putting a little bit of protection on me? He's like, I'm just gonna go back over and retreat.
He's gonna get on your hat. What he does best. This is so nice out here. They're gonna love it out here. The humidity's so high. They'll definitely have perfect sheds. They did in the house anyway, but now it's gonna be a lot easier for them. Turn around a little bit. Where are you going? Now you're going the other way, you wise guy.
You just ventured.
So I'm gonna get on that hat. I love that hat. You're gonna cover Ben's face up again. Hi, Grump. I think they knew. They act like they knew. They're as excited about this as I am. Look how good-natured they are today. Well, they usually are, but they're exceptionally good-natured today. See, that tickles. It tickles. Hi, Grump. What are you doing? You with your friend? You with your friend? I gotta teach Ben to feed you.
Hey?
What a long tongue you got, boy.
Ooh.
What happened?
He's just jumping a little bit, moving faster than.
Freak him out?
Yeah, his body's starting to slide down. I think it might be my shirt.
Yeah.
Is it soft?
Yeah, don't let him slip off. Can break ribs.
Got me now.
Who's got you, Fade? Huh? Who's got you? Yeah, one stack up out in the snake room. One more to go. This is going to be Fades on top and Grumpy on the bottom. And we got the 2 young females up there. And then the other stack will go over here. And that's my daughter spoiling my snake rotten.
I know I'm sticky because I'm all sweaty. Huh?
These big killer snakes.
Oh, yep. So scary.
You know, he's just tolerating you holding him.
Oh, I know. He totally hates my guts. like Ben does.
I know. He went right to your head looking for your hat. She don't wear a hat, Fade.
Nope.
Th-
What?
Watch it. He's gonna wrap around your neck and choke you to death and then eat you.
I don't think so.
Hi, Fade.
If he wanted to kill me, he would have been trying
I'm waiting
by
for
now.
that fan to hit him in the face and freak him out. So far, it hasn't. Usually
Yeah, you've said him a few times and it hasn't even phased him.
they bug right out when a fan hits him in the
Me
face.
being sticky and sweaty is making him pull my skin.
Yeah.
Where are you going? To the top of my head?
I hear cats howling.
Yeah, I hear a cat meowing too.
They're nervous because all this stuff's moving
I would go
around.
investigate, but...
See, you can see the TV in my front room from out in the snake room now. I got another brand new TV right over there behind that stand, though. But I probably won't even need it. See? Clear doorway. Hey, what you doing, you handsome boy? Say, wow, what's this room? I never been out here before. It's
He was out here with Ben a little while ago.
Yeah, I know, but I mean before that. Say, wow, we didn't even know this room was here.
It tickles.
I'm in my glory.
He got my ear.
When Mike from Code says, you could move those snakes out there now, you know. I'm like, oh, wow, okay.
Dad, what are you doing? Where are you trying to go? Look, I love you and all, but you're not wrapping yourself all the way around my throat.
He's strong. He doesn't mean to be, but he is.
Oh, I know. I don't think he'd ever intentionally hurt me, but...
He wouldn't hurt anyone. He did bite me on purpose when I tried to take his new metal water dishes away from him, though. He was wrapped around him. He wouldn't let me take them out for anything. He bit me twice in 1 month trying to take it out to clean it.
Warm.
Not that.
Hot one today.
Get in front of the fan.
I know. It's blowing right up my back.
Oh, that one is, yeah. Fade's not. It's not the humidity out here. They're gonna love it.
Oh.
Tipper, you and Ginger ready to go out in your new house? It's out here.
No. I'm speaking for her. I don't know what she's doing, but...
She's mesmerized by all the colors in my bedspread.
She's got a death grip on my belt.
Tipper's like, I'm not going in there. You crazy, dude?
She's got me in an arm bar over here.
Lydia's up on top. Tipper's like, no.
Look at this fool.
Hooked in your belt loop.
And wrapped around my arm.
Tipper, what are you doing? You hijacked Carl?
No, Ginger. Tipper's over there.
Oh, that's right.
Tipper betrayed me for Ben.
No, this is Tipper. Ginger's got reduced pattern. That's Ginger. Promised a friend I put a video up showing her how Chewy can still see me out here in the snake room. Okay. Everybody's just sacked out and enjoying it. They love it out here. But that's Chewy's cage, right straight ahead of the door to the snake room, and I'm sitting on the edge of the bed. So see, Chewy can still see me at all times. I can watch the TV in the living room from out here in the snake room, which is really cool. I grabbed a bunch of my mismatched curtains today and covered these windows real quick just to cover the sunny side of the house, thawing out rats for the snakes. But yeah, I was telling her Chewy can still see me when I'm out there if I sleep out there. And he's right there, and he most certainly can. Well, I guess it says it all. Yeah, I'm a mess. I've got an urinary infection. I passed out on the floor the other day. My daughter picked me up and put me on the bed, but I'm doing better. That's why I haven't been around. But breastfeeding out in the new snake room, they've all been very calm and relaxed. And every single one of them nailed the rat. First shot. So, yep, everybody's happy out here. That's all you need to see. If they're eating, there's nothing wrong with their environment. And they aced it. Every single one of them nailed it. I just fed all the snakes in the house. The way I have it set up, all my bigger snakes are out here in this room. And all my younger and smaller snakes, like my Colubrids, are in the house. I have a stack in the bathroom still. They'll be moving out here eventually. and all the other stuff in the living room that's in front of the picture window. But on that, everything's cleared on the floor except for Chewy's cage. But yep, they aced it. Lydia's eaten her first large rat here. No, actually her second feeding of a large rat, and she's doing great. So this made my day after being sick for almost 4 days and having a problem with my orientation and being able to hold up straight and keep going. But yeah, this made my night. I got brave enough to come out. You gotta take care of your snakes. I don't care how crappy you feel. But excellent, excellent. They're all eaten tonight. Nobody was a challenge. I'm so proud of them, and they love this room out here. Like my new lights I put up. I got one in the bathroom too. I love it. Yeah, and I still got to put those other stands together over there, but that's nice. I love it out here. We had rain all day, but I'm going to tell you, it was a welcome after all the cold, the high 100-degree temps we had for a few days. It was a combination of my ear infection and the high humidity and me going balls out doing everything around here, not taking a break. But yeah, everything's fine. I'm happy. I couldn't be happier. They're all eating.